Who will win this battle in 2026? Reducing food waste at home has become a major focus for eco-conscious households in 2026. And countertop food recyclers are no longer a niche gadget, they're a practical tool for daily life. Among the most talked about machines are Lomi and Reencle, both promising to turn kitchen scraps into reduced waste material that's easy to dispose of or compost. But when you compare them head-to-head, which one comes out on top? Let's break it down and see who wins this battle. First, let's talk about what these machines are designed to do. Both Lomi and Reencle are countertop food recyclers. They accept a variety of organic waste, fruit and vegetable peels, meat trimmings, cooked leftovers, coffee grounds, small bones, and more, and process them using a combination of grinding, heat, and controlled airflow into a significantly reduced dry material. The goal is to shrink volume, reduce odor, and make disposal or composting easier. Starting with Lomi, the brand has gained attention for its sleek design, intuitive operation, and robust odor control. Lomi processes food waste through a multi-stage system that often includes grinding, dehydration, and heat. Users appreciate how quiet the cycles can be and how the machine manages smells during processing. In terms of batch size, Lomi handles moderate amounts of kitchen scraps in a single cycle, perfect for everyday household waste. It's designed to be approachable. Load your scraps, choose a cycle, and let the machine do the work. The output is typically dry and crumbly, which makes it easier to integrate into compost bins or trash without excess moisture. Now let's talk about Reencle. Reencle has positioned itself as a strong contender with a slightly different set of focuses. In many comparisons, Reencle emphasizes larger capacity and faster processing times. Its chamber tends to be roomier, which allows it to accept larger volumes of food waste in one go. For bigger families or households that generate more scraps, perhaps after cooking larger meals or weekly meal prepping, this capacity advantage can be significant. Reencle's cycle times are competitive as well, often processing food waste quickly while maintaining odor control and a dry output. One of the main differences you'll notice when comparing Lomi and Reencle is how they balance capacity vs. output quality. Lomi prioritizes polished, dry end results and a quieter, more refined user experience. Reencle, with its larger chamber and sometimes more aggressive processing, is designed for higher throughput, making it ideal if you routinely need to dispose of larger amounts of waste at once. Under the hood, both machines use similar technology, grinding mechanisms, heat, and airflow, but how they implement these systems leads to slight differences in real-world performance. For example, Lomi's multi-stage processing can feel more controlled, resulting in material that is consistently dry and odor-neutralized. Reencle's approach, by contrast, leans into capacity, which can sometimes mean less uniform output. But it also means fewer cycles if you have a lot to process. Another factor to consider is ease of use and maintenance. Both devices are designed for countertop convenience, but user feedback often highlights that Lomi's intuitive controls and clean design make the overall experience feel a bit smoother, especially for users who want a set-up-and-forget workflow. Reencle's larger chamber means it may require a bit more cleaning after heavy use, but for those who prioritize capacity over minimal maintenance, this is often a fair trade-off. Energy consumption and noise levels are also worth noting. Because Reencle handles more waste per cycle and can work faster, some users report slightly higher energy draw during longer or heavier cycles. Lomi, optimized for everyday household waste, tends to have more balanced energy usage and quieter cycles, a small quality of life advantage for many. So who wins this battle in 2026? The honest answer depends on your kitchen's needs. If your priorities are everyday waste handling, quiet operation, very dry and odor-controlled output, a refined countertop experience, then Lomi stands out as the winner for typical households. If your priorities are handling larger volumes per cycle, fewer cycles for heavy waste days, higher throughput with less frequent emptying, then Reencle takes the edge for heavier kitchens or larger families. Both are legitimate, high-quality food recyclers that reduce waste volume dramatically and make disposal easier than traditional composting or trash disposal. Neither is a scam, and both have their place in modern kitchens. The key is to choose the one that best matches your lifestyle and waste patterns. If this comparison helped you decide which food recycler fits your home in 2026, leave a like and subscribe for more honest product battles. And tell me in the comments, are you Team Lomi or Team Reencle? Stay green, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.